Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. I'm still Modestus. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make money through commenting. A lot of people has been expressing problem telling me where can I see the post to read, how do I read my post. Okay, let me teach you guys how to make money through commenting and another place you can make money apart from commenting. Now stay on. So let's move to my account and so I will show you guys everything. Now first of all, you click on my account. If you are already in NNU, you must have understood what it means to click on my account. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not NNU, it's Newspay. Please don't be offended, I'm doing both NNU and Newspay. So what I'm going to teach you guys now is whenever you click on my account and you wait for it to automatically load. When it loads, you will see your dashboard. Then if you have shared sponsor post for that day, no need to share sponsor post again. If you have not shared sponsor post for that day, just share sponsor post. From there you make a lot of money. I have a video already on how to share sponsor post. You can check the link in the description below. So the another thing you need to know is how to make money from reading news. And where are these news that you need to read? Let's move on. Now that you have opened your dashboard, this is your dashboard. Keep on scrolling up, 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 up. Keep on scrolling up, keep on scrolling up. Now you will see some posts in a blue, red, in green ink. You can see them here now. See all of them here in a green ink. So you choose from the one you want to comment on and you make your money. That's easy. Now let me start from one and I teach you how to make your comment. Now Kivitovia Tikosora to lead chairs in Federation Cup final. So now when I click on it, I wait for it to load. When it loads, you will go straight and comment. You have seen the heading, so there is no need in reading everything there. Do you understand? If you have the time or you love the post and you want to know more about it, you can read it. But to me, I don't have the time. I just want to make my money, and I know that whoever is watching this video wants to make his or her money. So I will just go there and type something. You know, they say that read all these policies here. These policies here are very important. You can see all these policies. Yes, they are very important. You can read all of them before typing. So there is one policy that say that your type, anything you need to post must reach up to 10 words. So that's not a big deal for me. You can say, oh, this is so awesome of them. So you have done this one, and when you click on post comment, everything is now done. Do you understand? Now once you have done this one, and assuming you have read all the posts, you can see that the posts are plenty. Assuming you have read all the posts and you still want to make more money, you are not contented with the one that you have read and you want to make more money, okay, there is a big chance for you. All these people that commented, Adenike 2 says, Victor B says, Skido says, Liver says, all these things, you have the right to comment in each and every one of them, and for each and every one of them you commented on, you will get 3 naira. On this one that I just commented now, I will be giving 4 naira. So once you have done that, you have commented on this one, you want to comment on another post, you need to go back. You can see all the posts here. You have the right to comment on all of them. Do you understand? So once you have commented on all of them, you can now go back and comment on the comments of people. You earn your money too. As you keep doing this, your earnings will keep on growing, and I'm assuring you, in a week you keep on withdrawing. There is no week I cannot withdraw. That's one thing I'm telling you guys. There is no week I cannot withdraw. So guys, how did you see this video? Do you like the video? Just share, give me a thumbs up, and you can just tell me anything you want to know about in the comment section. I will be up there to help you. If you want to chat me on WhatsApp, just put your number, I will be the one to chat you. So what are you doing now? What are you waiting for? Just go on and make money in Newspay. And as you make money, just do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.